Hi, I'm Kevin with Short Haul Trailers. Today we're going to go over a little bit of our inventory. This is Megan. She's a Big Tex trailer, a 14 EH. EH is an equipment hauler. You can use these for equipment such as skid steers, bulldozers. You can even put a truck, car, and a vehicle. We're going to go over the ramps and versatility as far as helping you load those vehicles. We do recommend this to be trailered with a 3/4 ton pickup truck. This weighs 3,370 pounds. It has a GVWR of 15,400 pounds and a usable capacity of 12,040 pounds for your actual payload. This trailer comes with a nice toolbox in the front. The toolbox has a spare tire that comes with the rental. You still have more room over there for extra chains, straps, or any tools you want to secure. You can still lock this with a key that's provided and close it down for security. The trailer does come with some steps on either side. It has 5/8 inch D-rings. There's 6 of them throughout the trailer. You have the rub rail on the side for flat hooks, stake pockets, additional tie-down locations. This is a premium pressure-treated wood decking. The wheel wells are removable, so they have a bolt in the front and a bolt in the rear, and these can be removed. These are not drive-over wheel wells. Here's the 2 rear D-rings. Again, there's 5/8 inch. We have the mega ramps, hence why this is called Megan, is because she has mega ramps. Mega ramps are extremely versatile. Right now I have it set up in 2 driving configurations. You could drive with it as such at this angle with this bar holding it in place so it does not go back or forward. Lowering this in this configuration is pulling the pins. All right, hold it in place. We're going to take the bar out. We're going to place the bar in its holder. Now I'm standing the ramp up and it's kind of balancing on its own. We're going to secure these in place. All right, and the ramp just comes down. This configuration over here, you don't have to mess with the bar. It's really a one-handed operation. For this one, you just open up the latch one-handed. All right, make sure that latch is out of the way. And then with one hand, you can pull the ramp up. And there you go, just one-handed operations. As we can see that the ramp distance is very thin here, so therefore you can load something such as a golf cart or a mower if needed. However, any tracked or wheeled vehicles do load very easily with this. It has a 3-foot dovetail, which assists with the loading and the angle of approach. The pressure-treated wood area is 19 feet long. The dovetail is 3 feet long, so therefore this is a 22-foot equipment hauler. As we close the ramp and we go ahead and latch it in place, you're now set to drive. You still do have more tie-down areas back here, so this is also a cargo area. License plate stays. It is not removable. Again, this wheel fender is removable with a bolt in the back and a bolt in the front. Same as the other side. You have your rub rails for tie-down areas, stake pockets, and up front you have 2 D-rings on this side, 2 on that side, 2 at the rear. Another step, there's LED lights all the way around. LED lights and the brakes are connected with this 7-way connector to connect to your vehicle. Adjustable jack, so you pull that up, extend here, you can lock it in place. As you operate this, just be careful with your hand. Do not hit it there. All right. And with one hand, you can lower this jack. Once again, I'm Kevin for Short Haul Trailers. This is Megan. Call us 352-246-0173 to reserve her today. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.